Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the timeless elegance of black and white interior decor. Whether you're looking to create a sleek, modern space or a classic, sophisticated ambience, black and white can be the perfect palette. Let's explore how you can transform your home with this stunning color combination. Why choose black and white? Black and white are classic colors that never go out of style. They create a striking contrast that can make any room look more refined and polished. This color scheme is incredibly versatile, allowing you to play with different styles, from minimalist to luxurious. The power of contrast. One of the key elements of black and white decor is the contrast between the two colors. This contrast can be used to highlight architectural features, create focal points, and add visual interest. For example, a black accent wall can make a bold statement, while white furniture and accessories can provide a crisp, clean look. Balancing the colors. To avoid a space feeling too stark or overwhelming, it's important to balance the use of black and white. Incorporate varying shades of gray to soften the contrast, and use different textures to add depth and warmth. Think about using materials like marble, leather, and textiles to create a more dynamic and inviting space. Key elements of black and white decor. Furniture, opt for black or white furniture pieces that fit your style. A black leather sofa can add sophistication, while a white upholstered chair can bring a touch of elegance. Walls and floors. Consider painting your walls in white to create a bright, airy backdrop, or go bold with a black feature wall. For flooring, black and white tiles can add a classic touch, or choose a neutral tone to balance the room. Accessories. Accessories are a great way to add personality to your black and white decor. Look for items like black and white artwork, patterned rugs, and monochrome cushions to tie the look together. Lighting. Lighting is crucial in a black and white space. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a layered effect. Black fixtures can add a modern edge, while white fixtures can keep the space feeling light and open. Adding pops of color. While black and white can stand alone beautifully, adding pops of color can bring a fresh, dynamic element to your decor. Consider incorporating metallic accents like gold or silver for a touch of glam, or add vibrant hues through art, plants, or throw pillows. Personalizing your space. The beauty of black and white decor is its ability to serve as a blank canvas for your personal style. Don't be afraid to mix in your favorite pieces and create a space that feels uniquely yours. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or a more eclectic mix, black and white can adapt to your vision. Conclusion. Black and white interior decor is a timeless choice that offers endless possibilities. By playing with contrast, balance, and personal touches, you can create a space that is both stylish and inviting. We hope these tips inspire you to embrace the elegance of black and white in your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration.